A chance encounter between two former best friends, 30 years and 1,600 miles later, inspires them both to up-level their lives and grow into their potential. Thus begins Second Chances and New Beginnings, a world premiere stage reading for Portland's Fertile Ground Festival. Party girl Lorraine drank her way through college and into a financially successful yet personally unfulfilling insurance career, while creative Joelle gave up her dream of a career in the arts when she married and had 4 children. After reconnecting in Second Chances, the two women become each other's backbone as they navigate the difficult path of highest good living. These two women can be raw and authentic only with each other. And this path can be filled with conflict and difficulty at times, as it is for all of us. But knowing there's someone who loves us no matter what is what helps them get through it. New Beginnings picks up the storyline 5 years later without Joelle. Her youngest daughter, Ashley, faces some really giant decisions, which she navigates with the help of her soon-to-be mother-in-law, Karina, a surprise message from her mother, and the help of her mother's former best friend, Lorraine. Friends who were once ripped apart are reunited with a combined highest, best life purpose. These plays were written because of a chance conversation on Zoom during COVID by 2 first-time Oregon playwrights, Jennifer Solberg and me, Laura Handke. The videos will be available at laurahandke.com throughout the run of the Fertile Ground Festival from January 27th through February 6th. Please join us.